When we started Leo AI, it was not just building a product that is now used by Fortune 500 companies that are building robots and medical devices and automotives. It was first understanding or taking the responsibility to understand what is AI for mechanical engineers. There was nothing like that. Mechanical engineers were using technology that is basically from the 90s. They're using CAD software to build 3D objects, but no real technological breakthrough since then. So we started from interviewing and surveying more than 900 mechanical engineers, from juniors to VP of engineering. And we asked them, what are the most time-consuming tasks that you are facing today? What do you hate about mechanical engineering? How we can help you, how AI can help you. And we just listened to what they're struggling with today. When we had all this data, all this information, broken down by industry, organizational size, geography, we started from creating this Venn diagram in our mind on what they want, what we, mechanical engineers, what we need, and what's available, what AI could do. And this intersection just grew with time when technology became better and better. And this is what we started. We launched a piece of the product and put it in the hands of mechanical engineers, learned from their feedback. Some versions they hated, they didn't use, and we optimized and optimized and optimized until it was what is now, what it is today. And a tool that basically is used daily by the world's best mechanical engineers. It's saving them weeks and sometimes months of work. A tool that they say is the AI tool that they can trust, the AI for mechanical engineers. Some of them even consider it as a team member. And they say that thanks to Leo, they're doing in minutes what they used to do in weeks, sometimes months, sometimes it was not even possible to do.